Menengai Oilers na bao na pointi ikumi kwa mugwanja hambatano-ini cia final mbitika cia Driftwood oro hamwe iria irakorirwo igithagathagwo thiini wa kaunti ya Mombasa na ohindi iyo KCB ni marakorirwo makiyukia namba 3 thutha wao kuhitania kana gukorwo making'ethanira na bao 3 thutha wao kuhahithia imwana cia Strathmore na bao 29 kwa 12. Kabras matugitwo na kimanjika gia ciringi 100,000 mbeca farifari.
Finals, people are usually under pressure, especially the players. Anything can go wrong, and given that we've played for 2 days, players are very tired. So it's the one who will dig deep the most is the one who will win the games.
There we can see that the competency of the players, the productivity of the game, and even the entertainment to the fans has already been top-notch today. So the Sportpesa National Sevens actually takes a 3 weeks break. Then it will be back in Nakuru for the Prince Lu Sevens. And definitely this is the kind of entertainment that the fans can look for.
And for me, to urge the fans to come and support the teams, and we see how it goes. Because